It's a remote control electric robot which collects floating waste from their origin or close to their source. It prevents the waste from dispersing at sea. The robot is only 14 kg without the batteries, 20 kg with. It can collect floating waste thanks to a net pulled by the robot. The net has a capacity of 80 liters. Oil iridescence can also be collected at the same time as waste by just adding an absorbing mat on top of the net. It can also be used to collect thicker amount of oil. In this case, we fill the net with what we call absorbing spaghetti. They can absorb up to 12 times their weight. A net filled with those spaghetti can collect around 30 liters of oil. It is very easy to change the net once full. All you need is a pole to catch the net. It's compact and it allows to tackle the pollution in sheltered areas, coastal ports, river ports, canals, lakes, and to sneak into the confined areas where waste is concentrated. It's easy to handle. Even children easily pick up the techniques to handle the robot.
Yadis is sensitive to the marine environment, and we really want to control our environmental impacts. Indeed, all the components of our jellyfish bot are strictly selected according to their energy performance and the type of resources consumed. For example, the batteries were chosen because they have the best low environmental impact and performance ratio. We try to use as much recycled or recyclable materials as possible. One of the tracks being explored is to recycle used fishing nets for the jellyfish bot. We are also conducting a study to facilitate the sorting of waste collected by the robot. Raising customer environmental awareness is one of the priorities. Our products can only be sold if the customer is aware of environmental protection and wishes to improve its image by obtaining different environmental quality labels. For example, Pavillon Bleu or Port Propre in France, which are quality labels or certification for harbors, or Clean Marina program in the US. On top of sustainability, we also want to bring social value to this project. Indeed, it's not a question of destroying jobs with the use of robots, but rather offer a new tool serving the operator in charge of waste collection. The goal is to make their work less painful, reduce their exposure to many pollutants and dangerous products, and allow them to optimize waste collection better than today. It seems important for us to value their work and to make them evolve and feel safe. Last but not least, one of the most important things for us is to raise awareness, especially among children. When they use our jellyfish bot, which they pick up easily, they quickly understand the importance of collecting waste before it goes out in the oceans. They realize there are many kinds of waste floating in our marinas, and they understand why it is important to avoid waste in the first place.